Hey Tom, it's Dave Krajak. I'm going to just give you a quick overview of this report. You're going to be seeing one Monday the 26th. Uh, this is a very good baseline statistic for us to make our assumptions off of for the next couple weeks here. This report's going to come every week. Just to go through with Google, the amount of clicks or the physical clicks that went from an advertisement to your website is 610. Impressions are the set of eyeballs, 25,000 sets of eyeballs saw your advertising, and cost per million or cost per measurement is $9.76. That's around how much it costs per 1,000 people to view our ads. And the conversion rate versus the amount of impressions to the amount of clicks is 0.1%. A goal rate for that conversion is anywhere between 5 and 10%, and that's what we're striving to get to. That's the campaigns with the highest return. This is what we just started in March of 21. We're working on that, and as I said, we're going to need about 4 to 6 weeks. We're in week 3.5, 4 now of working together, so we're just starting to make some progress. These are great statistics to start with. Individual campaign performance, the click-through ratio, again, 2.39%. Anywhere between 5 and 10% is a good margin to hit. Conversion rate's the same number. Cost per click, we want this as low as humanly possible. Obviously, we'd like it to be about a cent, but on average, we see anywhere between 5 and 10 cents per click, and that's what we're actually spending on Google. Search impression share, you're hitting about 10% of the search market, which means your people that are Googling you, over 10% are seeing you before anybody else does. And of that entire paper shredding area in New Jersey, we're hitting about 10% of that in about a 30-mile radius. We'd like to be at least 30 to 35% of that quote-unquote market share, and that's what we're trying to do in our 6 months here. This is more for us, campaigns by traffic. The amount of clicks that we get per campaign that we're doing 3 different sets. So if we can think about that, I've got 3 different forms of advertising going out. I've got pictures, I've got text, and then I've got what's called CTAs or call to actions, which is straight, hey, call my business right now because you Googled me and I know you need my help. So that's for us to measure what's doing the best, and we can make adjustments based off of that. And performance details, top performing ads, these are the actual sets of keywords that we're using here. But these are what people will be seeing when they Google you and you're coming up before your competitors, and when they Google certain keywords, which we'll get to in a minute. Same here for the groupings of ads, so that's what I was saying before with our 3 circles here. And with our keywords, this is what's going on with what we're spending and what people are actually Googling to make sure that you come up first. And as I know, we're focusing on things like paper shredding near me, events, recycling, e-waste, etc. So that's the basis of this report, and we'll be going over these every week. We'll be getting a video every week, but just so you have an idea of how to understand these. And of course, I'm very happy to talk at a minimum once a week to make sure we're on the right track. I'm very excited to see the 26th report tomorrow and to see if we have to make any minor adjustments, which I assume we will be. And then after that, we should see some substantial growth going into week 5 here. Thanks so much. Have a great week.